Precision cuts on the sliding compound miter saw. This is macduff's setup. Here is the 0 point, and this slider here sets the 0 point. So that's it set at 0, and you can cut anything from 0 to 18 inches precisely. That slides back and held there. We'll now set the offcut for a 2-inch cut. Undo the clamp, slide this to precise size, which is 2 inches. Tighten the clamp, slip at the cross. We'll set the system up for a 3-inch offcut. That is the zero mark. This slides up, back. When you cut the offcut, there's no chance of the blade picking it up because this is clear. Rather than the stop against here and the material against there, it will pick up when the offcut's here. And you pull this back, and now the space is there, and it won't pick the offcut up. We'll set this precisely to a 3-inch cut, right there. Clamp it. Set this outward position. Set this there. That is exactly 3 inches. Reverse this, and the space is there, and it won't pick this part up because there's a clearance at this point here. Be resurfacing this cedar slab and making it into a large table. But unfortunately, we lost the base of the router system. So now I have to go manually and make a new base for the router. First of all, we'll draw the shape on this piece of plastic. It's quite safe to cut collection plastic or other plastic on the table saw with the blade set quite low, but never cut plastic on a sliding compound miter saw. On it, it'll just grab it, and it's too dangerous. And safely push the plastic through the table saw with a push stick with a rubber stopper on the end. In this particular case, I cut it manually with a Japanese pull saw and finished off the edges with a rabbet plane with the edge flush with the top of the moccasin vise. I also trimmed round the round's edge with a disc grinder and finished that off with a file. I marked the screw positions, drilled the holes and countersinked them for the screw heads on a solid surface because drill bits are inclined to grab plastic.